Hello everyone, this is 8th week. Happy Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day every year on 15th August. On this day, in 1947, our country got freedom from British rule. It is a very important and proud day for all Indians. Many freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Jawaharlal Nehru, Jhansi Lakshmibai, Sarojini Naidu, Lala Rajpat Rai, and many more people sacrificed their lives for our freedom. We will always remember and respect their courage and sacrifice. Freedom is very precious. It is our duty to protect it. We should love our country, keep it clean, follow the rules, and work hard to make India a better place. On this day, let us salute to our national flag and proudly say, Jai Hind. I wish that our country always grow in peace and prosperity. Janagana mana adinayaka jai jai Bharata bhagya vidhata. Punjab Sindhu Gujarat Maratha Avila Ukkala Vanga Vindhya Himalaya Yamuna Ganga Uchala Jaladhikaranga Taba Shubha Name Jaake Taba Shubha Ashisha Mage Gahe Tava Jagada Janagana Mangala Dayaka Jai Jai Bhagya Vidhata Jai Hind.